Alright guys, there's just a couple of holes right there already, but I'm gonna drill some holes around here because I know there's fish here. And more of that, maybe a little out more. Oh, it's not that big. It's about an inch of water. At least right there, you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get started. You got it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. It's exciting, man. It's been like 3 years since we ice fish. Just kidding. It's pretty cool. Check it out. We're ice fishing from a dock, dude. So cool. Come on, bro. Eat it. There's 2 of y'all. Oh my gosh. Got him. I got a fish, Danny. Hey, it's a crappie. Ah! Danny, bro, I got a crappie. No. Just a little guy. It's still fun. Dude, ice fishing from a dock, man. Inhaled it too. Yeah. Got a fish. Oh guys, just caught another one. Wasn't recording at all, so failed. But this guy came up flying like a torpedo, man. So fat too. Why are you guys so big? The thing I hate about these fish, they're super slimy. Yeah, the crappies are at least. Got him. For days, Danny. For days. Danny, you gotta come over here, dude. Come over here. Bring your bucket. Alright guys, we're gonna go, but let me just put on a battery real quick. But I'm standing on ice. We're gonna make the trip to go explore a little bit because I've never really got to fish the north end of the lake, I think. So we're gonna go try that out. You got it? What is it? Oh, it's a crappie. Nice. Hey, it works. Yeah.
Hey, I think I know how to work them.
Yeah?
They like aggressive jig, like.
Really? Okay, yeah. Good. That's good. Well, you gotta figure out the bite, so keep working it. Yeah?
So it's really, really aggressive, and then when they're chasing it, stop right away, and then they swipe it.
Yeah. Oh, shit. That's thin. You didn't hear that? It's like crack, 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 crack. Almost went in, dude. Got him. Little guy. It's a crappie though. Like I said, they're fun to catch. They're small. It's good because they're small and skinny, so they gotta be feeding. Got him. You're right, dude. Just jig it hard. Just keep digging through them. Oh, he bit my tail off, hater. Oh, this guy flew up like a torpedo. This is decent. Oh, dang, look, it's decent.
Yeah.
You think Dad would like these?
I don't know. They're not meaty.
Yeah, they're not meaty. They're really thin. They have a big head. Nice. I'll take it. Still fun. Yeah, I'm sure it's okay. I don't know, dude. We'll find out. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, as soon as you came over here, bro. Yeah, you gotta go back. Oh, You saw that?
Oh my god.
What?
What is that?
It just cracked all the way down. Got him. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, it's a big bluegill. Check it out. Haha. Clutch. Nice bluegill. Finally. It's a nice fish, dude. I'll take it. If they're right on the surface, like, oh shit. Okay, dude. Just fresh ice.
That's down up there, bro.
We're in like 30 feet of water right now.
Oh my god. This is scary.
You okay? Yes, look, this is thin. Keep going to your right, towards your right. You gotta go first, dude, because I can't stand next to you.
Where?
Just keep going towards the tree. Pick a path, just go. Oh shit! You be okay, dude? It's not gonna shatter glass, bro. Huh?
I'm done.
Don't run, you're gonna apply more pressure. You want me to go first?
Yeah, you go first.
Alright, you gotta go this way. Go this way. Don't run, dude. You run, you're gonna apply more pressure.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You'll be okay, dude.
Yeah, I'm done.
You'll be okay, bro. We're almost there already. Oh, yeah. Got him.
Really?
Yep. Ah! It's a giant!
That's what we're fighting for. We're gonna die for some little small crappies.
Those are giants, bro. I gotta go.
Yeah? Let's go.
Yeah, in a bit, hold on. Hey, I lied. Yo. Tankers, dude. Risking our lives for the fish. Alright, little guy. That's what we're dealing with, guys.
Come on, Master.
Oh, I got him. I'm on. I'm done, dude. Woo! It's a little one. I'm done. Oh, I know why. These fish are stumped.
Oh, got one.
Yeah? Let's go, bro. Danny's on.
It's a big one.
Really?
Big one. Help, help,
Oh,
help.
it is a nice
No.
one. That's decent, dude.
Yeah, I'm done. Screw this.
Off with these fish, right?
Yeah. I don't want to die.
I don't want that. They're long, though.
Yeah.
They're stunt. Their eyes are big. Yeah. In the water you go. Let's go. Look at that big ass hole. Alright, we're good. This is shallow right here.
Huh?
We're good. This is shallow right here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How shallow?
Probably 4 feet. Whoa! You're good, you're good, you're good. Just jump, jump, jump. It's just the dog.
I'm not doing this again, bro.
It's just the dog. I know, it is scary, but just, yeah, just relax, dude. Not really. Look, see how thick that is? Yeah, you're not falling. Look.
Yeah, but still.
Alright, let's go, bro. We gotta.